Alright guys, here's the date and time on the Garmin Forerunner 620. And right now we are standing by some checkout counters at IKEA in Schaumburg, Illinois. And not too long ago, IKEA put these devices in where you can actually rate your experience at IKEA. And in this case, it's asking you how satisfied were you with the wait time and the checkouts today. So here you actually have four expressions to choose from. The first one here is very satisfied, pretty satisfied, and kind of not satisfied, and definitely not satisfied. I hated it. So we're gonna try out every single expression and see what happens when I press it. So how satisfied was I? I'm just gonna say I was very satisfied. Lines are really quick. The cashiers are pretty nice, so we're gonna press the happy button and see what happens. And it seems to just do a beep. Okay, I thought there was gonna be a voice attached to it, but I guess not. Okay, well, what if I say I wasn't super satisfied, but it was cool. It was all right. I mean, it wasn't perfect, but it was still good. So let's see if what happens if I put that. Okay. So it seems to display a green light when I press it. So I wonder if I press one of these two, it'll display a red light on here. So let's see it. Let's say I wasn't really satisfied. I mean, it was all right, but it could have been way better. And the people here were just rude when I was trying to check out my stuff. So let's hit it and see what happens if I do. And yeah. I was right. So if you hit one of the expressions, if you hit one of the sad expressions, that light turns up. That light actually displays red instead of green, like this one. And finally, let's say I was not satisfied. I hated their customer service. The staff were just rude. The lines were so long. I just wanted to get out of here, but it's just impossible because it's a long line. And honestly, the line is kind of long because look at all those people there waiting. All right, so let's say I was absolutely not satisfied. I would then hit this button, and again it would display a red light instead of a green. So yeah, if you hit one of the unhappy faces, that light lights up red. But if you hit the happy faces, it lights up green, which is nice. See, red. Green, red, green, red, green, red. All right, guys. So that's how these devices work. And in case you guys didn't know, a lot of European places actually have these, where you can actually rate your experience at whatever place you're at. And this place does have some Swedish culture to it, so that probably explains why they have these. So yeah. Hey, when did you put these in?
I'm not sure. I started.
Oh. Well, they're really cool though.
So you're pushing the red buttons?
Yeah. I'll just see what happens if you do. Yeah.
You give us a bad rating.
It gives. Well, yeah, and does it go through a computer system?
Yeah.
Oh, it does.
Yeah. So you just script in the computer system.
Oh, whoops. My bad. I'll just do this to see what would happen if I do it. Yeah. But yeah, these actually do send a message to a computer that actually show what you put into the system. So yeah, it's cool how these devices work. And now I'm gonna stop my video, and so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and that's gonna be it. Oh,